Patents can seem like impenetrable legal documents filled with complex terminology and confusing structure. But understanding how to read a patent is an essential skill for inventors, entrepreneurs, and anyone involved in innovation or intellectual property. This guide will break down the process of reading a patent and understanding its legal scope. Patents consist of several clearly defined parts, each serving a specific purpose. The main components include the abstract, claims, specification, and drawings. Among these, the claims section is the most legally significant as it defines the enforceable scope of protection. Let's start with the important patent parts. Patents have three major components: the abstract, claims, and specification. The claim explains what the inventor created and legally owns. The specification provides instructions showing how to use the invention. The abstract gives a brief overview of the entire patent. Every patent specification includes critical data, such as the background of the invention, which provides context about what inspired the invention and what problem it solves. The summary of the invention offers a conceptual explanation of the design. The list of figures helps illustrate the invention visually. Patent drawings are not mere illustrations. They are integral to understanding how the invention works. These figures are typically numbered and referred to throughout the specification. Key elements to note in drawings include reference numerals that link parts of the drawing to specific elements in the detailed description, flowcharts or diagrams that simplify complex functionality, and multiple views showing the invention from various perspectives. When reading a patent, start with the title and abstract. The title cannot exceed 500 characters and should describe the invention. The abstract should be 50 to 150 words and explain the problem, solution, and functionality. Next, read the description, including the background and summary of the invention. After reading the description, review the list of figures to help put what you've read into context. Then, move on to Claim 1, which is particularly important. The claims section is what's legally protected and describes the inventor's creation. Patent lawsuits are essentially claim infringements. Each claim is one sentence that starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Usually, the higher the claim is listed, the more critical it is, as inventors typically put the most essential claims at the top of the section. Claims are either dependent or independent. If a claim references another claim, it's dependent. If it doesn't reference another claim, it's independent. After reading the claims, browse through other sections to enhance your understanding. The detailed description explains the invention in full and how it can be implemented. A critical part of this section is the preferred embodiments, which describe the best modes the inventor contemplates for carrying out the invention. Look for terminology definitions, functional language, and variations or alternatives. If you need to understand what a patent covers quickly, skip the title, drawings, abstract, and specification, and go straight to the independent claims. The claims are the only section in a patent that is legally enforceable. This approach will allow you to get to the heart of any dispute in 5 minutes or less. Each patent is assigned classification codes that organize patents into technical fields. Patents also include citations. Backward citations refer to earlier patents the inventor relied on, while forward citations indicate the patent's impact on ongoing innovations. For entrepreneurs and non-experts, focus on the claims section to understand legal boundaries. Scan the specification for red flags, like language suggesting wide applicability. Check the assignee and inventors to identify stakeholders, and look at the patent status to see if it's active, expired, or under litigation. Understanding patents is about recognizing their structure and knowing which parts matter most for your specific needs. The claims define legal protection. The specification explains how it works, and the drawings illustrate the concepts. By focusing on these key elements in the right order, you can efficiently extract the information you need from any patent document. If the potential impact of a patent on your business is significant, consulting with a patent attorney is always advisable. They can help interpret complex claims and assess any infringement risks that might affect your operations or innovations.